Okay, we got a Smeg microwave here, which is not turning on at any point. Let's check. There is no power here, so we need to turn it on. Maybe off. So there is a live and neutral, so we check the live if there is enough power is coming from the board, and we go to voltage, AC on. Yeah, 240 volt is there, so off. So there must be wrong here. Oh, we see a damage here. Okay, there is a black mark here, so this must be replaced. So okay, we order the parts. There is the parts for this one. So we're gonna replace this one and see how it works. Oh, this comes as a full unit. So off, yes. So let's do the job. So here, and the screw is here. This is not blocking us. Took 2 pictures. Yes, and this goes here. Yes, and this goes here. Yes, yeah, this should go first in, and now we have this fucking idiot. Yeah, go that way. Here. Let's check it. Wonderful. Careful. Here you see the clips here, goes here, and you see the clips here, this one goes here. Yeah, that's good. It's good. It's good. 19 minutes, that's good.